Here we go. What's up, Tubesters? And two bets. It's your boy Stitch, man. Y'all see I got my boy Roundhead in the building.
What's happening?
What we're putting together round?
Beautiful 6-0.
Together that 6-0.
Hey, disregard all that. They're gonna be clean. Trust me. Trust me.
You know they'll say something. It's all good. Heads done. All of the what? Beehive shit. Waltz nest.
Beehive spring.
Beehive spring.
Waiting for the Brian Tully cam up in there. I ain't gonna get no more specs on that.
Got that new cam in there. Got the heads done. Everything nice and clean. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Freshly rebuilt.
California mode.
We back down to 0 miles on this sucker. But it's all good.
It's all good.
So he finna torque these things down here.
Yeah.
My lifters. Is these lifters?
Yep.
Rockers.
Your lifters, your push rod, your rockers.
Okay.
Yep. Your lifters already in the bottom. Yeah, we put them in before we put the
oh yeah, that's
on.
the ones we oil down, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we snugging these things. How you know if they too tight?
I'm just snugging right now. I'm gonna get my torque wrench with GM with these LS's. Go off their little torque sheet. And guess what? Shit, 10, I think these are here. 10, 15, don't quote me. I'm gonna look at the book.
Oh, okay, for each one.
Straight across the board.
Gotcha.
Ain't like the old school, you gotta let it come up.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. Okay, so you just torque them down.
Torque them down to 1 and you're done.
Oh, cool.
You have to put the colors
Yep, we just freshen up this old 6.0 block. Nothing crazy, no real crazy horsepower, just a nice little cam. Had new cam bearings, crank bearings, had the crank turned, the heads done. Shit.
All new gaskets, new rings, all the goodies, man.
All new gaskets and new rings and shit. So
overhaul. Got that crank polish.
So we gonna put it in and see what it'll do from here.
Don't worry about it. You're gonna have an LSA on him a little bit.
It was tempting. It was very tempting.
You have an LSA on him a little bit. I mean, LSA.
So we just waiting on the transmission to get back from the transmission shop. We ordered a stall. And shit, we gonna rock it from there. Y'all know this going in Rambo. Rambo gonna have a nice little 6.0 in there. Tote the note.
The healthy heartbeat.
What we say? We trying to get what, at least 500?
500. Got to go right there.
We trying to get at least 500 out of it.
Got little tricks up our sleeve.
If it don't make it, fuck it. We can live with it.
That's it. Now we have plenty of cars to help out with that.
We can live with it. So I got to order my headers.
Headers, long tubes.
The long tubes. How thick? How thick we need? Inch and a quarter? Inch and 7/8? What we need? Oh, hell no.
Yeah, unless you want to get real loud,
what you think? Inch and 7/8? 2 inches?
7/8. You're going to have a lot of loudness. I know you don't like that loudness.
Muffler won't work?
Muffler help it. Muffler help it.
Hey, man, I need y'all suggestions, man. What y'all think? What size header should I run on this 6.0 with a mild cam? We need some help.
You know what,
I ain't sure.
I'm gonna say a 7/8.
You said inch and 7/8.
You know why? Because you can always put a pro charger on the 317s right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm a future build this thing.
What's a pro charger? I don't need that. Hey, man, hey, you trying to get me running red license shit?
You say 500 horses.
Hey, man, hey, I'm trying to keep my license.
You say 500 horses, man. We gotta do something.
Okay. We'll talk about that on the next video, man. Hey, but this is the 6.0 for Rambo. Finally going back together, man. We just waiting on the transmission. We're going to make it pretty. Marry them together. Stick them in the car. And that's about that on that, man. Around here finna torque these bolts down. And we'll be back in a minute.